Hi guys, my name is SInah and welcome to today's class, which is part of our 10-part stretching series. I designed today's class to help you release any tension and relax before going to bed. A lot of the exercises we're going to be working through today you've probably never seen before, and that's okay. Rest assured that everything will be alright and I'm here doing them with you. So when you're ready, grab your water bottle, slip into something comfy, and let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video right now, please save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started sitting on our mat, just lengthening our legs long before us, taking a deep breath in as we start wobbling those knees. Deep breath out through our mouth. Let's do that one more time. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Wonderful. Now we're just going to go ahead and lay back on our forearms with our legs directly in front of us, taking a deep breath in through your nose as we plant the back of our feet on our mat and slowly lift our hips up and let our head hang heavy. Stay right here with me. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Let's do that one more time right here. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Wonderful. Dropping back into your mat. Slowly bringing your head up. Now we're going to go ahead and come back into this pose with our arms lengthened. So just lengthen those legs a little bit further. Take a deep breath in as you center yourself, and on your exhale, come all the way up, sending your head back. Taking 2 deep, full breaths right here. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Let's do that one more time. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Wonderful job. Slowly dropping to the mat, and then slow and steady bringing your head back up. Excellent job. We're going to go ahead and shake our knees a little bit. Stay right here. Now we're going to go ahead and bend our knees a little bit further till they come into this triangle-shaped position. And we're going to repeat the same movement, coming from the palms of our hands into our reverse tabletop. Take a deep breath in as you lift your hips up and let your head hang heavy. Stay right here. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Wonderful job. Take another deep breath right here. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Wonderful job. Releasing to your mat, bringing your neck back up. If you need some head circles right here, go ahead and do that. Releasing any tension from your neck, if any was built up. Wonderful job. Now we're going to go ahead and come back into that reverse tabletop. So take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, lift into that reverse tabletop, letting your head hang heavy. Step 1, I want for you to really lift those hips up and engage your core. Step 2 is to lift your right hand and just place it above your right leg. And stay right here, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Give me one more right here. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Excellent. Placing that right hand on your mat and repeating on your left side. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. You got this. One more breath right here. Releasing your hand, coming right back into your mat. Excellent job. All right, so we're going to start now. From our reverse tabletop, take a deep breath in as you lift your hips all the way up to the sky. On your exhale, we're going to cross our right leg over our left knee and open up our hips into a figure 4. And gently allow your head to hang heavy and breathe right here for 2 counts. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Give me one more breath right here. Releasing that leg, planting it next to your left, and repeating on the left side. Crossing your left leg over your right knee and lifting your hips up. Breathing right here. Deep breath in through your nose. You got this. Deep breath out through your mouth. One more breath. Deep breath in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Release that knee. Slowly dropping to your mat and lifting your neck slowly. Excellent. Let's come into a crisscross position. Interlace your fingers above your head. And with this little pressure to none, go ahead and allow your head to come down to stretch that back of your neck. Take a deep breath in right here. Deep breath out. Fabulous job. Give me one more breath right here. Excellent. Release your hands and slowly come all the way up. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and lift our knees, coming into a boat pose position. Now we're going to cross our left leg over our right and extend them up, allowing our left hand to come back and grabbing a hold of our right foot. Once you come into this position, on your inhale, you're going to lengthen, and on your exhale, you're going to twist. Let's try that one more time. Deep breath in as you lengthen. Exhale, twist. Give me one more. Inhale for that lengthening. Exhale, twist. Yes, wonderful job. Release those knees. Now crossing our right leg over our left, extending our right hand back, and with our left hand, grabbing our left feet and lifting. On your inhale, you lengthen. On your exhale, you twist. Fabulous. Give me two more right here. Last one. Very nice job. Releasing our legs and slowly coming into our regular tabletop position. We're going to go ahead and extend our legs directly behind us, but coming into side plank. So they're stacked one above the other, and your hands are in your regular plank position. We're just going to hold right here, feeling that twist. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Wonderful job. Give me two more right here. Pushing against the mat. Last one. Excellent job. Release those feet and coming back into that tabletop position. Wonderful job. Now we're going to go ahead and place our right hand in the middle, so directly in front of our core. And we're going to extend our left leg, coming into that side position that we use for the plank. Now we're going to move our right knee directly in front of us, bend at the knee, and just place it right above our knee. Inhale as you open your left arm all the way up and over. And stay right here. Breathe with me. Deep breath in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Wonderful. Feeling that core stretching, lengthening. Deep breath in through your nose. Really opening up that chest. Deep breath out through your mouth. Give me one more at your own pace. And slowly releasing the arm, releasing that right knee, and coming into that tabletop position. Let's go ahead and hip sway from side to side, releasing any tension right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to the other side of my mat. You can stay where you are. I'm just moving so you can see me better. We're going to repeat those two exercises on the opposite side. So step one. Hands coming into that plank position. Step 2, go ahead and lengthen your feet behind you, coming into a stacking pose, and then twisting and hold right here. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Wonderful job. Give me 2 more right here. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Last one. Excellent job. Release those knees. Coming into that tabletop. All right, so now we're going to repeat this exercise with one leg up, one leg down. So moving your left hand to the middle of your mat, opening your hips all the way up, bending your left knee so that it's placed directly above your right. Take a deep breath in as you lengthen your right arm all the way up and over. Hold right here for that twist. Deep breath in as you lengthen. Deep breath out as you stretch. You got this. Give me 2 more breaths right here. Really engage that core. Really opening up that chest. Last breath. Slowly release the arm, the knee, and coming to some hip sways. Fabulous job. Now we're going to slowly lift our hips all the way up, coming into a standing forward fold. From this forward fold, I want for you to go ahead and cross your right foot over your left, and then interlace your fingers to grab your opposite elbow. And slowly just stretch your hamstrings and your core by bending forward. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Let's do 2 more breaths right here. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Last one. In through your nose. Out through your mouth. Wonderful job. Release those hands. And now crossing your left foot over your right. Interlacing your hands, coming to grab the opposite elbow and breathing right here. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. 2 more. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Last one. Deep breath in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Wonderful job releasing those hands, releasing those feet, and coming into a kneeling position. Slowly lifting all the way up into that kneeling position. Inhale, your hands come all the way up to the sky. Exhale, grab a prayer and bring it to your heart. Take another deep breath in right through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. And slowly open your eyes. I hope you get a good night's rest, and I will see you next time. If this class served you in any way, please follow me on my Instagram account at SInah for further fitness and mindfulness content. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please download our Yoga Plus app for further fitness classes.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.